Alright guys, little update here. Having a hard time trying to get these bolts out. They're so corroded. I can't get these two out. The last ones I need so I could take off this fucking fuel sender. I took out those and that one. One of them, the bolt tore off. Or, how you call it? Snapped. The bolt snapped. And, looks pretty bad in there. But you can scrape it off. And it looks clean under the rust. But yeah, I'm trying to fucking do this shit. Alright, we're gonna clean this gas tank. So I'm back from the fucking car wash at the power washer. I let the fucking acid there sit for a few hours. I'm ready to dump this, and well, first we're gonna put baking soda so we could neutralize the acid, and then we could dump it. All right. Yeah. Come closer, dude. All right, guys, we're putting this baking soda inside this. It's gonna get foamy. I don't know. Actually, I think I need to put the whole bag. All right, guys, this is the after. Look, it still looks dirty. That's okay. We're gonna fucking power wash it tomorrow. Again. Honestly, it did help a lot. But yeah. Well, alright, guys. This is it. We're coming to almost the finish line. I already put back the gas tank earlier this morning. Ready to put gas. I'm so ready for this. Yeah, I've already put that shit back on. Got myself some fresh gas. Got some coolant. I don't know how much I need. But I just bought 3. If I need more, then fuck it. Then I got this from Harbor Freight. Just so we could safely like put the correct amount of fucking coolant. So yeah, I'm probably gonna put gas first and then mess with this. All right, so let's get to it. Okay guys, before we put the start the engine. I'm gonna put some coolant in it. Then some. Freaking Texas. Yep, see how it's burping? That's what we wanted to do. Still some left. So after I put this this last piece of the coolant in, let's see if I can start the car. Hopefully it starts, man. Bad news, guys. Don't worry. So, I lost battery whenever I was doing that video. Just like a few days later. I took out the fuel pump. I don't know, I can't tell if it's bad or not. Or whatever. I'm gonna get another one. I got another one today, but it was the wrong one. So I returned it, so I'm just gonna buy another one. Yep. Look at that. I don't know. Yeah, it was easy to take off. There's take out these two fuel hoses, I think. And then there's a third one right here. It goes right here. Now I just left this aside. And then yeah, you just take it off, put it back. Pretty simple. Saw some guy do it on YouTube, but he took out like the whole assembly off, even the carburetor, the brake booster hose. I didn't want to do that, but I just listened to the, the manual. It's pretty simple. So remove a fuel pump, disconnect it, remove it, and then I tried testing it, like if it worked. Just making sure it moves freely, but like I can't tell if this thing's broken. I just couldn't get fuel. Like there's still old fuel from the long time ago, but I don't know. Yep, sucks. Try to get this car started, but I couldn't. Anyway, waiting on the part to get here. Yeah, we're just waiting on the part to get here, and then we'll put it back and then start the process again. Start the car. Maybe it could run. Like I said in the past, like 6 videos. But yeah, I'm getting closer, bro. Like this progress. Alright. Thanks, guys, for watching. See you guys in the next video.